Hello everyone. Welcome to the podcast SMSF Connect. You are tuned with us today to meet our very passionate and very creative environment guardians. Today we have with us Navya Agrawal, who joins us from Varanasi. Navya Varanasi से हमें join कर रही हैं, and she has been a wonderful environment guardian. She participated in the DIY contest organized by Segal Foundation on its Instagram page. And her entry on recycling the kitchen waste and creating eco friendly bags from our old t shirts was really commendable. And her video got a lot of views and a lot of likes on our Instagram page and got a huge fan following. So, without wasting much time, without much delay, I would straight away go to Navya and learn more about her. So, Navya, we just want to know more about yourself. So, please do your introduction and tell us more about yourself.
Hi, hello. Thank you so much for having me. I'm Navya. I'm from Varanasi, as you can say, Kashi, Shivki Nagri. Currently I am in third year of college.
Okay.
I'm pursuing BA Journalism and Mass Communication
Mhm.
from MET University. And my interests are, since I was a child, my interests were creating art and craft.
Yes. Navya, you there with us?
Yeah, so I used to take the waste that the disposable boxes and all that were laying around, and used to make decorative pieces out of them. So it has always been my interest. But then when I used to because I live in Varanasi, and it is on the banks of Ganga,
Yes.
River Ganges. We all know Ganga. Okay. So I just lived beside a Ganga Ghat, and I used to go there every morning since I was a child. And in that period, I actually witnessed Ganga shrink. Like, when we used to boat, then the length was decreasing. And when I used to research that why it is happening, why Ganga is shrinking, it's such a beautiful heritage of India, I would say.
True.
So why it is shrinking, and it provides livelihood to many people, like the people who used to operate the boats. And it's a key part of Indian agriculture as well. So when I researched, then I got to know, okay, due to global warming, all this is happening. And that's when I started to try to live a sustainable life and try to contribute as much as I can in saving the nature, I would say.
Yeah, so very wonderful to have you and learn about how you started with a relationship with the environment. I think every one of us, each one of us has a relationship with the environment. We may realize it or we may not realize it. हमें
Hmm.
कई बार मालूम नहीं होता कि हमारा क्या रिश्ता है पर्यावरण के साथ, बट
Hmm.
पर्यावरण हमें इतना कुछ देता है. आई थिंक हर पल हमें कुछ ना कुछ मिल रहा है पर्यावरण से. And it's
Hmm.
time we give back because we have only deteriorated our environment so much that
Hmm.
it's time we give back to the environment in our own small ways. Yeah. और वो भी
Hmm.
हमें ही बेनिफिट करने वाला है, राइट?
Exactly. Yeah.
करेक्ट. एंड आपने जैसे ही बोला कि आप गंगा घाट के किनारे रहती हैं, तो मेरे दिमाग में वो हिंदी पिक्चर का गाना आ गया है, छोरी गंगा किनारे वाली. सो आई वुड लाइक टू कॉल यू दैट इफ यू अलाउ मी. या.
Yeah. Yeah. No problem.
या. So, from the right from your mouth, I would like to know this green initiative that you talked about, recycling the kitchen waste, and also making eco-friendly cloth bags from the old T-shirts or the T-shirts we don't really use now. So,
Hmm.
how did this all started, and who's helping you to do this, or you do it alone? Just tell us about your initiative.
Okay, so as I shared my story, so my whole family believes in living a sustainable life. My father is a his passion is gardening. He's actually a botany student. So
Okay.
a house is filled with plants, and he just likes to grow fruits and all. So this he taught me this, that this is how you create compost, and then you can use compost to grow plants more effectively. Because when I started making compost and then using it in saplings, then they used to grow nicely.
Hmm.
So that's how the compost journey started. And the cloth bags, as I told you, I was always in art and craft. So I used to experiment with things like I, I, I have a pet cat also. So whatever toy he has, it is all homemade. I used my old hoodie, clothes, or wools to make him toys. So
Mhm.
everything in this house is somehow recycled or reused to just reduce waste.
Wow. We wish we could see all the stuff that you have made for your cat, and all the planters that you have in your house. And listening to your journey, I think since you said your father has been a botany student, and
Hmm.
though your entire family believes in sustainable living, तो वही है कि इट्स ऑल इन अ फैमिली. तो आप जो सीखते हैं, जो आप बचपन से देखते आ रहे हैं, you tend to imbibe those qualities and values in you,
Hmm.
right?
Hmm.
So, moving on, Navya, our next question to you is uh, what were what has been the most memorable moment for you in this entire green journey? If you could share a few moments that have been really close to your heart or special to you.
Yeah, so I would say one time, the cloth bag that I recorded the video for. So I took the cloth bag to a friend's get together. There were more people. It was like a party, and
Mhm.
there actually everyone noticed the bag, and I got the opportunity to introduce the thing to around 50 people,
Mhm.
that you can also ditch plastic bags and the toxic bags and create cloth bags with your old t-shirts and all. So that was a very memorable moment, because I got to share my journey and my ideology with other people. And then my friends also made the bags, and they send me the screenshots that, see, I also made the bag and all.
Wow. And it's so nice to see when your idea gets replicated with so many
Exactly.
friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So my question was that yesterday also we met with the Green World, another contestant of the DIY contest, and we asked her about her future plans. So this green initiative, although it is practiced at an individual level, but still, when you tend to get recognized for your work and you tend to see it replicating with others, we kind of make future plans and we start to think how we can strengthen this small initiative going forward. So we would like to know from you कि आगे चल के आपके क्या plans हैं? How do you see your initiative growing and reaching out to more people?
Okay, so yeah, this recognition of Environment Guardian has actually motivated me to take this to another level. Like I now I wish to share my journey, and I wish to spread awareness regarding this, because nowadays people think that only multinational corporation and factories are responsible for global warming, and we can't do anything in that. It is true that they are responsible, but there are 7 billion people on this earth, and if a small proportion of them also start living a sustainable life, then we can make a change. So I will use social media platforms, and I can also reach out to people in my neighborhood, in my town, to spread awareness, like stop using plastics and use cloth bags, because it's a very simple thing. Just don't use plastic bag. It won't create much of a problem in your life.
Hmm.
Just take small steps to save your future. That's what my motto is. Don't make a huge change in your life if you are uncomfortable, but just take small steps.
Yes. So, very rightly put, I think these small steps can help us go a long way. And if each of us, 6 or 7 billion people, do small steps like this, I think it can be make a great difference on our planet. And we saw it in the time of pandemic when we all
Hmm.
were inside our homes and not going out. The nature healed
Hmm.
itself quite a bit.
Exactly.
So we got fresh air, there was less pollution, So, although we create things to suit us, they come to our convenience, but then
Hmm.
those also have negative effects on our environment.
Exactly.
So,
Yes.
what would be your message to other environment guardians who are beginning in their green journey, or maybe people like me who want to do something on this front? If you could share your message in the form of a slogan or any song, any such stuff.
I would say if you are saving nature, then you are saving your future. Your future is in your hands. If you don't do anything right now, if you don't start right now, then in the future we would have to wear oxygen masks. Like the generation before us never thought that we have to wear mask 24/7 to protect us.
Yeah.
And from here the future only looks like it will become darker, because there's no improvement. 2020 was the second warmest year in the timeline. So if we have to improve, if we have to save our future, if we have to live a better life, then we have to start right now. So anyone out there who wishes to do something, just start.
Just start.
Cause
Yeah.
of anyone.
So I think that's a key message from your interview that we get to share with all our followers and to all our people who will be listening us to us on podcast, is that start now. Yeah. So
Exactly. Yeah.
don't wait, just start now, and in whatever little way one can, one should start.
Hmm.
And don't we should not think that what would others say. I think in your
Exactly.
family, because everyone is so pro or looking forward to sustainable living, I think everybody has the same mindset. But
Hmm.
when one person in a family thinks to do something differently, there are others who say that it's not required. Why are you doing this? So certain questions are posed. So, how do you think one can then make his or her way out?
I would say just do your research. Be sure that what you write it is actually helping nature, because there are some ways like people are following slow fashion for sustainable living
Hmm.
to manipulate the customers so that they buy toxic clothing and they think that they are actually living a sustainable life. So the important thing is that do your research, don't listen to anyone else, and if someone is throwing questions at you, just show them the facts and figures, because if you will have facts and figures, then no one can point a finger on you.
You just mentioned about slow fashion. I would
Yeah.
like to know a little bit more about slow fashion from you, since you have already read about and researched. Maybe a lot of our people still don't know about slow fashion. Just throw some light on it.
Okay, so if first let's talk about fast fashion, then we'll transition to slow fashion. So
Yeah.
we buy a cloth and it is in trending, like ripped jeans are in trends. So we go to store, we buy ripped jeans. But after a month, washed jeans are in trend. So
True.
we go to store and buy washed jeans and we throw away our ripped jeans because it is not in trend. So in the process of chasing trends, we are creating more wastage. We are increasing the frequency of purchasing clothes, and this is not only increasing waste of clothes, but because of mass production, production waste is also increasing. Now in slow fashion, what we do, we buy quality product that are made from eco-friendly fabrics such as organic cotton or hemp or linen. So we buy high quality product and we wear our personal style. We don't follow trends. We wear what we like to wear and we keep our clothes for a long time instead of just throwing them out because some celebrity is wearing something else. So that is what slow fashion is. Slow fashion is finding your own style and saving nature.
Yeah, so I think coming from a young person like you, I think many young people will be attracted to follow slow fashion clothes that are eco-friendly and that are comfortable to us, not just
Hmm.
being in the rat race of
Exactly.
following what our celebrities are doing and
Hmm.
changing our wardrobes so easily and so frequently. Yeah, thank you so much, Navya, for this insight. And it's really been nice talking to you. Anything else you would like to share with us besides this green initiative? Anything you want to share?
I would just like to say to Sahgal Foundation that you guys are doing an incredible job. You are very inspiring, and it was a great experience to be a part of the contest. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
Thank you, Navya. It has been a pleasure engaging with you in the contest, and today listening to your views. I'm sure when this interview goes on the podcast, it will be well received by everyone. So thank you for doing greening the planet in your own small ways, and thank you for sharing your journey, your memories with us of this green initiative. It was wonderful talking to you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for having me. Have a great day.
Yeah, you too, Navya. Thank you.
फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे। फूलों ने जाके बूंदों से पूछा, बूंदों ने जाके मिट्टी से पूछा,
Dinta, dinta, dena, 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 dena.
अंधेरों से हम घेरे हुए, अंधेरों से हम भागे हुए, अंधेरों से हम घेरे हुए, अंधेरों से हम भागे हुए, पल पल हर पल हम जिए, कितने काले धुएं में, हवाओं ने जाके पत्तों से पूछा, पत्तों ने जाके पेड़ों से पूछा, हम कहाँ रहेंगे, हम कैसे खिलेंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे, हम कैसे जिएंगे। हम है तो तुम हो तो हम, इंसान हो तुम, प्रकृति हम, हम है तो तुम हो तो हम, इंसान हो तुम, प्रकृति हम, हमें जीने दो, हमें खेलने दो, हमें पानी दो, हमें रंगने दो, हमें जीने दो, हमें खेलने दो, हमें पानी दो, हमें रंगने दो, दुनिया हमारी रंगों से भर दो, खुशियाँ